How to change a Google Forms link. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to shorten your Google Forms link and create a custom URL. First, open Google Forms and open the form you want to share. Once your form is open, click the Published button in the top right corner. Next, select the link icon. To make the link shorter, enable the Shorten URL option. You can now copy the shortened Google Forms link. However, if you want a custom link that's easier to remember, you'll need to use a URL shortening service. Open your web browser and go to tinyURL. Paste your Google Forms link into the URL field. Next, enter a custom alias for your link. Choose something simple and relevant, such as your form name or business name. If your chosen alias is available, click Shorten URL. tinyURL will generate a custom shortened link for your Google form. Copy the new link and share it with anyone. When someone opens the custom URL, they'll be taken directly to your Google form. And that's it. You've successfully created a shorter, custom Google Forms link that's much easier to share.